Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to my third video on my channel, and I'm super excited to do this one because I am finally going to be able to use the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Vault collection. I got her as a birthday gift a couple weeks ago and I haven't used her yet, and I'm super excited to be able to finally do a look and show y'all kind of like my opinion and of course like how the look turns out. Also take this time to tell y'all more about me, so this video will be also like a little Q&A. That way you guys can find out more about me. But yeah, so if you guys want to see how this look turns out, then keep on watching. Ooh. So if y'all don't know, so the Vault comes with 4 different palettes and they're called Dark Magic, Armed and Gorgeous, Bling Boss, and Ring the Alarm, bruh. So I honestly don't know which I'm going to use it. So we'll look at them. So it's like pretty bougie that it comes in this little, oh, whoops, I need to turn this off. Oh, it's my fantasy football. Today's Sunday and my text messages blow up because everyone in my group wants to blow up my phone. So if my friends see this and wonder why I'm not responding back, it's because I'm recording a video. Dark Magic is, ooh, see, I haven't used her. I still have this plastic thing on. So this is Dark Magic. The next one we got is Armed and Gorgeous. Ooh, this is definitely like October. This is October theme for sure. Look at that. This one's Bling Boss. This looks, this is the one I liked a lot when I first saw it. This is like a purple color range. Okay, last but not least is Ring the Alarm. I like that name. Ooh. Ring the Alarm, to me, I was thinking like hot red or different shades of red. This is like, I mean, it's pretty, you know, it's really pretty, but it's, I don't know what you would classify this shade range. It's like orange / plum. I don't know. Yeah, I'm doing Dark Magic. It's already decided. Let's put those over there. Okay, so I'm gonna try to just use only this eyeshadow palette and not try to dip into like my other eyeshadow palettes that I got. So let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and take yeah, that's the name of it. So SXXXXX, we'll just go ahead and take that color on a fluffy. Why do I always say that? I always say fluffy as a fluffy. Ugh, I hate that about myself. And just use that as a transition color. Dip into Potion. It's this olive color shadow right here in the corner on that same blending brush that we used just a while ago, and just put it right where you put your transition color too. First question is, what is your hometown? Oh Lord. Okay, so my hometown is in Arizona, and it's on the Navajo reservation. I was born and raised there, and it's a small town called, if you want to be exact, it is called St. Michael's, Arizona. But a lot of people don't really know where that's at, so if that's the case, I usually just say Wood Rock, Arizona. Okay, next question is, what is your favorite movie? Ooh, that's a tough one. Favorite movie. movie that I can watch. I guess this kind of ties into like another question I have is what are your hobbies? So for me, I love, and I've always loved dancing. A lot of my friends know that about me, is like I love to dance. Like if I hear music, like I will start dancing. And like not to toot my own horn, but like I'm a pretty good dancer. So yeah. So given that I love dancing and I love watching people dance, like one of my favorite movies, or I guess like series, I guess you could say, are like any of the Step Up movies. I'm gonna take this dark green color called Inside Job, and then just put that in the crease / corner of my eye. Okay, next question is, how many siblings do you have? So I have 3 younger brothers and 1 younger sister. It's crazy. And for literally 11 years, I was the only girl. And I was praying to God that I wanted a little sister because all my friends had sisters. My mom is the only girl. So I was like, please God, like I want a little sister. Finally, my prayers were answered. And I remember that day like it just happened. And it was the first time that I felt like I was crying because I was happy. I was still young, but like I remember like I was just crying because I was just so happy and my tears were flowing and I was like, ah. And it was just the sweetest moment ever. And now my little sister is like my best friend. Yeah, her birthday is on Beyonce's birthday too. So I don't think that's a coincidence because she is my queen. She's my princess. I'm really happy to have her in my life. So, and she just turned 12, I believe, too. So, my mom says she's my twin, and I definitely see it now. So, yeah. So I have 3 brothers, 1 younger sister, and 2 of my brothers graduated from high school, and then I have a brother that just started high school too. So, next question: who is your favorite artist? Well, my favorite artist is Miss Cardi B. Oh, ooh, I love her. Ooh, that song of Bodak Yellow, that's what sold me. Okay, so now what I want to do is, I think I want to take, let's try this. Let's take Trickery. It's the green shimmer in the palette. And I want to try it just on a brush first to see how it performs. If it doesn't perform well, I'll just use my finger. It's not that big of a deal. Then I'll just put this on the inner part of my eye. I mean, it came off pretty good. I like it. Yeah, so I'm just taking a small blending brush and I'm just blending that shimmer into those matte shadows. So I'm gonna take a pencil brush and dip into this black shadow called Temptress. Temptress? I think that's how you pronounce it. But it's gonna take a little bit of that and I'm just gonna put it at the very corner of my eye right here, just to darken that color right there. Next question is, who is your celebrity crush? Oh my god, I have so many. But if I could pick one, if we're just talking about celebrity as in like actors, that would definitely have to be Michael B. Jordan. But if we're talking about athletes, oof, the list goes on. I couldn't pick one, honestly, because there's like Devin Booker, Stephen Curry, there is Zach Levine. Okay, so what I'm pretty much gonna do is just mirror what I did on top and do that on the lower lash line. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face, put some lashes on, put a lip on, and I'll be right back. Yo, I'm digging this. My overall opinion about this is that it's really good. Like, I would recommend purchasing it. It blends really well. Like, the shimmers didn't need much help. Like, most shimmers will definitely need like a little extra TLC. Like, the shimmers in the palette were really good. So I love this look, honestly. It is really good. So do I have any more questions? No, I think that's all the questions I was gonna answer. Thank y'all so much for watching today's video. If you guys have any questions about the makeup I use, the Vault collection, or any questions in general, feel free to drop them down below in the comment section. I'll be sure to answer them. But in the meantime, feel free to add me on Instagram and Snapchat. All that info is in the description box. So I will see y'all in the next video. Bye. I whip my hair back and forth. I whip my hair back and forth. I whip my hair back and forth. I whip my... Ooh. Ooh, my lashes are about to come off.